The inbox in the Portalink AnyOrder app is where all messages, including orders, can be viewed. In this page are three main tabs. Linking required, which contains messages that may include a first-time order from a customer that needs to be linked and mapped. Mappings verification, which contains orders which mappings have not been encountered in the app and requires verification from the user for future orders. And pending, which contains messages that have been linked and awaiting mapping. The user can tick the Include Archived box to show the archived messages. Next to this box are more filters that can be used for the messages. By default, 30 rows of messages are displayed, and the user can change this anytime by choosing from the list. To navigate through the pages, use the arrow buttons at the bottom. There are the columns for title or subject, customer, received, sender, and status. Under the status column, there's pending and archived. Pending orders may have the mapping or linking message next to it. An order can have the pending status if there is no existing mapping for the order template attached to the message, or if the order template has not been linked to an email identifier and company account. If an order is archived, this means that the order data attached to the message was successfully extracted because there was already an existing mapping. Once the order is extracted, the message is automatically updated to archived status. The message can also be manually set as archived by the user if required. Let's open this message. This will show the email details like the purchase order attachment, the sender, the time and date when the order was received, and the email body. To view the attachment, just click on it. This attachment can be downloaded or printed. The zoom out or zoom in function is also included. Toggle the sidebar if there are several pages. To go back to the main inbox page, just click the back button. Navigate through the other messages by using the up or down arrow buttons. There are also the retry and archive buttons. On the left side of this page, the status, sender, created at, updated at, customer information, and timeline are displayed. Now, let's discuss how to link an account through the inbox page. Click the Admin button and then Emails Configuration under Emails. Here, the user can see the list of email to company mappings. Let's try sending an order. Here is the sample email we'll use. The recipient will be the unique email address generated by the Portalink AnyOrder app. We have attached a sample order template, and in the message content, it is stated, "Order from testorder@eversteel.com." Let's send the order and then navigate to the inbox page. Open the order, and the user will see a Link Account tab on the right side. The user must choose the email identifier and company to link the order. There are two email addresses extracted. One is the sender, and another is the email from the email body. Let's link the email address from the body to the company, Eversteel Fabricators, so that succeeding orders will be recognized by the portal. Select the email, and then tick the Remember for Future Messages box. Search for the company account, and then click on the Link Company button. The Confirm Company link prompt will appear, and the user can view the summary of the linking. Click the Confirm Link button, and the change will be processed. After linking the account, the user will see the Mapped by the following email identifiers section. The user may remove the mapping of existing email addresses through the inbox page by ticking the box next to the email address, then clicking on Delete Mapping. The status of the order is now archived, and it will now appear on the Orders page of the Portalink AnyOrder app. To delete an existing mapping through the Emails Configuration page, navigate to the Admin page, then click on Emails Configuration. Under the Email to Company Mapping section, Tick the box next to the email address you wish to remove, then click Delete. That's how to navigate through the inbox page and how to link orders.